Hello, welcome back to online class standard 9, and we are learning the fun they had the chapter 1 English prose. I have already taught about the introduction of the fun they had chapter 1. Today we will see from the text. Let's see, look at the blackboard. The point, Tommy lived in Margie's neighborhood. Tommy is the name of a boy who was neighbor of Margie. One day, Tommy came to Margie's home and he saw a book on the attic. The word attic means storeroom under the roof. Storeroom under the roof. Attic का मतलब उनके घर के बिल्डिंग के अंदर में एक स्टोर रूम था. स्टोर रूम के ऊपर में एक पुराना book था. That book was filled with dust and not looking attractive. बुक बहुत पुराना हो गया था, बहुत से रेत में, मिट्टी में भर गया था. And the page were yellow and wrinkled. When they turned the pages of the book, the pages were yellow and wrinkled. बुक का जो पन्ना को जो उन लोग उठा के देखा, पेज को टर्न करके देखा, तो बुक का पेज सब रिंकल हो गया था, लूज हो गया था, कोई ढंग से नहीं रहा. Then the two children saw that the two children saw that the word stood still at the same place. दोनों बच्चे सिर्फ बुक में जो लिखा था, जो वर्ड था, वर्ड को देखा कि वर्ड मूव नहीं करता था. The word was standing in the same place. The word was standing in the particular place. Why? Because these children, they have not gone to school the way we are studying in the school. They always studying on the online. They have not studied this paper book. The word which is written on the paper book, it doesn't move one place to another place. But when the children studying in the television screen, the word can move one place to another place. They don't have experience of the word which is printed on the paper. The word which is printed on the paper, it remain constant. But the word which is on the television screen, it can move one place to another place according to the instruction of computer teacher or the mechanical teacher. That thing is mentioned here, that the two children saw that the word stood still at the same place. They didn't move like the words on their television screen. It appeared to the children something very funny. They turned to the page before. It had the same word on it that it had when they read it for the first time. Tommy thought that such a book was just a waste. One could throw it away after reading it. The television screen, on the other hand, could have on it millions of books. Those one never had to throw it away. According to the imagination or thinking of Tommy, the word which is written on the paper, the word which is printed on the paper, that word stood or that word stand remain same. When the lesson is over, when the period of time is over, somebody can steer it and throw somewhere else. But in the television screen, the word which is appear, it move one place to another place, and the television screen or the computer can contain million of books. But the paper book or the book which is written or printed on the paper, that is wastage. According to the thinking of Tommy and Margie. That's it. The second point, Tommy had found the book in the attic of his house. Tommy lived in Margie neighborhood. The second point, Tommy had found the book in the attic of his house. The third point, Margie's school was in her own house. The girl Margie, her house was in her house. Her school was in her house, which means Margie's classroom or school is next to Margie's bedroom. Margie didn't go to school the way we are going to school. Our neighbor children, all people, they go to school together and they study at school and enjoy fun, this and that. But Margie was learning through mechanical teacher. Margie was learning from television screen. That is why Margie's school was in her own house. The school was right next to her bedroom. She had a mechanical teacher to teach her. The teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. Margie had been doing odds and odds in each test. Her mother was very unhappy. She sent for the country inspector to see what wrong was there. Margie was studying through television screen. Margie had a mechanical teacher. Margie appeared the test on the television screen again and again about the topic geography. She was doing odds. She was not doing well. Then Margie's mom was upset. Margie's mom was unhappy. So that she informed to the country inspector. She informed to the school in charge officer that Margie was getting odds and odds in examination again and again. What is the wrong with the Margie? So she is not getting good mark in examination. What happened? Her mother was very unhappy. She sent for the country inspector to see what's wrong was there. She complained to the country inspector what was the wrong or what's wrong with Margie, so that she is not able to pass on the subject geography. Then what happened? The country inspector was a round little man. One day, country inspector visited to Margie's house. And the country inspector was a round little man. He had a red face. He had a box full of tools with DL and OL. When the country inspector came to Margie's home, he had dial and OS in his hand. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. When he saw the Margie, he smiled at Margie and he offered an apple. Then what happened? Then he took the mechanical teacher apart. Margie had thought that the country inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again. When the inspector came, at that time Margie was thinking that the inspector didn't have idea how to put mechanical teacher. But what happened? Inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again. But he knew everything alright. But an inspector knew everything alright. He was able to complete the job in about an hour. Within an hour, inspector completed the setting of the television screen. Now the big screen of the mechanical teacher was on again. It could show all the lesson and the related question. When inspector came and set up the television screen for Margie study, then what happened? The television screen became well set up and it could show all the lesson and the related question. Margie can see all the lesson on the television screen and she was able to answer the question. Then what happened? Margie did not feel so bad about answering the question. Previously or before that, before an school inspector visited to Margie's house, Margie was not able to answer the question. Margie was not able to answer properly the question of geography. After visiting of the mechanical teacher, Margie could answer properly all questions of geography. The part she hated most was the slot where she had to put her homework and test paper. She had to write them out in a punch code. Then the mechanical teacher calculated the marks into time. Margie had been made to learn the punch code when she was 6 years old. Then the inspector smiled after finishing his work. He patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It was not the little girl's fault." After finishing the work, an inspector smiled at Margie and inspector patted Margie's head. Then he said to her mother, "It was not the little girl's fault." Means Margie was doing odds and on examination when the television screen set up, when the mechanical teacher set up properly, then the school inspector, he told her mom, because of the fault of the television screen and the setup of the mechanical teacher, this little girl was not able to answer properly. That is why the getting worse and worse in the examination is not the fault of the little girl, but this is the fault of the television screen. Then he told the geography sector was geared a little too quick. What happened? On the television screen or in the mechanical teacher, the gear was little high. That is why Margie was not able to understand the question which is play on the television screen. The gear was the inspector slow down the gear of the television or mechanical teacher. That is why Margie was able to understand the question and answer all the question. The overall pattern of the child progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie head again. Once again, the inspector patted Margie head, and the overall pattern of the child progress is quite satisfactory. But Margie was disappointed. She had been